Right, welcome to my YouTube channel. Let me take you today about Google Form. So Google Form, you first go to Google Chrome. From there, you will get there is this dot here. We have email images, but for us we shall get our Google Form here. So I make sure that I look for it here among this. So you just look for it. Forms is here. So I tap on it. It's open. It is opening right over there. Form. So for us, we want a blank form. We want a blank form like this. So it has no. It is untitled form. So we can now make changes on our form. So we can give it a title. Can give it a title like that. Then can also give this one title. I want a short answer. So can also hide from here. Or we can make it to be required. It's a mandate for you to fill it. We can also delete it from here if we don't want that one. So we can add, we have option of adding a question here. Short answer. We can also duplicate that question. Let's add another question. Maybe class. Can add another one here. So multiples or another. Can make it to be a multiple. Can also add another one. Maybe H requires a short answer. So this option is for importing questions, add titles and description, add image, add video. So this option is for making it compulsory for you to fill. This option of required. So if I tap on it, it's a must for you to fill that form. Unless if you don't fill it, then it will not accept. So I can also delete it from here. Can check for my responses from there. So if I'm done, I can now publish this form. So, but I can manage what I want to see. I can look for it from here. Maybe I want this one. So I can say now share. Form has gone already. That was briefly about Google Form.